Alright guys, so it's another day today, and well, I got everything lined up, squared up, everything. I went ahead and I welded, well, not me, but one of my friends, he came by and welded that piece right there onto the body itself. Today I've just been trying to figure out this line, and I've been trying to like get it right for all day, honestly, but I think the reason it wasn't, I kept on messing up was because that hood is not straight. Reason I say that is because I started like putting blocks on like in the middle, and then like pushing down on one side, and that's how I got it straight. And as you can see, it is straight. And well, I was just battling with it all day today, but now it is good. All the lines are semi correct. The hood's a little bit lifted, I think, but that's because this fender is not OEM. I couldn't find an OEM one, but I am still looking for one because that one's bent. This one is OEM, and it lines up a little bit better than that one. But all the doors closed without hitting anything. I have a spare headlights I'm gonna put on there. I just gotta find them. I don't know where they're at, but there it is. Everything looks good. I got a set of mirrors actually, but I'll probably order it. Glass is coming in this week for sure. I just gotta hit up the guy who's gonna do it, and other than that, everything looks good. Just needs a good wash and paint, and she should be ready to hit the streets again.
24 hours later.
Alright, so I don't know if y'all remember the 24x14s I had bought for this rim over here. Well, here they are. They fit perfect, and honestly, they rub a little bit right here, but it's weird because the whole tire, it actually goes into the fender, so there's no like, how would I put it, there's no like, the tire doesn't hit right here. It hits like right here somewhere. So I could easily get away with it with a leveling kit. I could probably fully clear it at full lock with a leveling kit. Only problem would be the bumper, because it hits this a little bit, so maybe the bumper, I think, is gonna be more in the way. But there it is. It looks pretty good. Just waiting on couple more things. I think I'm gonna call the glass guy. I'm gonna call him probably tomorrow. Tomorrow's Monday, so he should be able to get the glass in, and then probably do it sometime that week, Tuesday, Wednesday, or maybe that same day. I don't know. After that, I gotta put the vents, the window vents, whatever they're called, back on, and then I'm gonna go get the paint for it to color match everything. I might even color match the grill, maybe, I don't know. I do want to black everything out as far as like tint. Everything is gonna be completely blacked out. Headlights, I'm gonna get smoked ones. I'm trying to get rid of all the chrome except the wheels. I want the wheels to really pop out. But yeah, they look really good. Everything is popping up, you know. The back, I don't know. I like all of these, the badges. I might leave those. I think that's probably the only badges I'm gonna probably leave on it. But yeah, I mean, as far as how much they stick out, they probably stick out a good six inches maybe. But like I said, they don't really hit too much on the fender itself. I mean, they do hit it obviously, but it's weird because it hits it like right here somewhere. It's not like right here, it's like right here. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Alright guys, so it's the next day. I'm still battling with this door. I went ahead and I got the dents out, and then I did a little bit of body filler. So I use two types. This one's Bondo, I guess. And then this one's I think it's called Evercoat. I just got to buying some more today. Actually, this one's really good. This one, it hardens like a rock. Honestly, way harder than Bondo does. But it came out good. Right now, I'm about to do a I don't know what you call it. When you spray it and then to see all like the little imperfections, to see what else needs some more body filler. But other than that, it didn't take a lot of body filler, I guess you could say. But just to take care of all like the little where I was pulling it out with that stud welder thing. But it came out pretty good. I took care of the little dent that was right here. There was a little dent right here, and now it's completely smooth. Other than that, there's another dent right here somewhere. I don't know if y'all can, I don't know. But I'm gonna just leave it because that's not an OEM panel. That's the problem. That's why it's a little weird. That's why you can see at the bottom it's a little, I don't know, open. But everything else, everything up here lines up perfectly. It's just that bottom piece. Because the one over here, this is an OEM panel. This one lines up better than that one over there. But so far, the plan is to get that side ready. I called the windshield guy. I don't know. He told me to call him back. I think I'm gonna just probably go with Safe Light. They quoted me $500 for it. The other guy quoted me less, but I'm not gonna be sitting around waiting for somebody. I'm gonna just go ahead and call them and get this over with, so I can go ahead and do the paint. Cause really, I want to do the glass, and then I gotta pressure wash that hood to see what type of condition the paint is, because it's the same color as this one, but I want to see before I even start painting anything. And then really it's just all about painting, you know, wet sand, buffing everything out to make it blend into the rest of the truck. And bumper, still don't know. Headlights, I already figured it out. I'm going with the Alpha Rex, the 03 to 05 style headlights. And if I like them, I'm gonna go ahead and order a set of Alpha Rex, the 07 to 08 style for that one. And they're a little pricey, but I think it's gonna make the truck pop a lot. After the whole front end is done, oh, I still gotta get like the fan shroud and the radiator bit. All of that I can get at the auto parts any day. That's no worry for me. Then it would just have to be to take care of all like the lights that are on the dash, for example, like the ABS and the brake light. I think I know what it is. I think it's the ABS module on the brake on the brake boost or whatever it's called. It's somewhere around there. It's not hard to change out. But other than that, I think that's it. Right now I'm gonna just do I think it's called a guide coat. That's what you call it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Alright guys, so I finally got it somewhat leveled out, better than what it was just a while ago. Right now I'm about to prime it, and hopefully there's no little weird spots that come up, but I think I got it this time. And really, it came out pretty straight, honestly. Not gonna lie. Well, we're gonna see once the primer's on. Alright, so primer's on. Obviously there's not a lot of primer because I ran out, but I was noticing on like right now the primer's already kind of dried, but I was noticing when it was wet that it looked a whole lot better than yesterday when I primed it. It obviously needs more primers. Y'all can tell right there. Y'all can see the body filler coming back through, but it looks a whole lot better than yesterday, that's for sure. Let's see if I can get it up close. Yep. I was not gonna fix this door at all. I think I had mentioned that in the previous video. I was not gonna fix it at all, but I think, did I talk about it? I can't remember if I talked about it, but look at this door. See how this trim piece stops right here, and then there's like, I'll say a whole hand of space right there. Okay, so if we walk over here to the door I had originally gotten, It's completely different. I don't know. As y'all can see where the trim stops all the way over here, and look. It's a completely different door. I thought it was the same one, and it is not. Oh well, the door wasn't too expensive. It's probably like 50 bucks. Damn. So broad looking. Good. But yeah, so now that that's kind of fixed, I just gotta, put a little bit more primer on it, sand it a little bit down, and then figure out the glass situation, and then we are ready to paint the whole front end, except the hood maybe. I don't know. The hood I might just buff it out. But yeah, there it is. Alright, so I decided to take off the fenders again and prime them. I use what did I use? No, it's not that. I use this stuff. I've always had a really good luck with this deeply colored primer. And that's what I used here too. Only that in a different color. This is a lighter one, and that's that one. I think I'm gonna go ahead and spray that one just so there's no difference, I guess you could say. But yeah, there it is. It works really good. It dries pretty fast. I'm gonna let it cure, obviously. But yeah. So pretty much, really, what I'm gonna just wait till they dry up. Not sure if I'm gonna put them back on the car or not. I don't know, because either way I have to take them off again, I think, to paint them. So good idea. I mean, I don't know really. I'll see what I do. But right now I'm gonna hit this little part with the other primer so it all kind of matches. And yeah, that is what I'm gonna do.